How to buy USDT on Bybit using P2P. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Bybit, and after you log into your account, you're gonna have to simply hover your mouse over Buy Crypto at the top and then choose P2P trading, and then you're gonna see here this trading dashboard. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select USDT, then choose buy. Then you're gonna have to choose your currency, so you can go with any of these currencies. I'm gonna type in USD, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the amount of dollars worth of USDT you want to buy. And here you can also change the payment method. So if you want a specific payment method, you can do that. Then simply click on confirm, and as you can see here, you're gonna see all these options. Now keep in mind, as you can see here on the right side, I'm ineligible for this because I didn't verify my account. But as you can see, this one here, I can use it. But as you can see, I'm gonna have to verify my identity. So after that, you can buy it using P2P trading. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.